Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video is we're going to unbox and do our initial review of the Y68 Macaron Smartwatch. Let's go! Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Josh here, and yes guys, I'm back, and we have here another affordable smartwatch. This is the Y68 Macaron Smartwatch. Yes guys, so it is available in blue, yellow, and white. Okay, I got this guys at Shopee for around $6. So if you want to purchase this one, you can just check the link on the description box. Okay guys, so now let's open the box. So by the way guys, we have here the yellow color, and at the back we have no specifications. So let's take this one out. Okay, and we have here the manual, so if you have any questions about the watch, just check the manual. We have here the straps. Okay, so it's like plastic guys, so it's in yellow, and we have here the watch itself. So before we have the Y68 smartwatch, and I can say it's almost the same with the one that we have 2 years ago, but this one it's just colorful. And let's see if there are any differences. So let's take this plastic out, and I believe here it's the sensor. Okay, and when you look at it guys, it's almost the same, and it's really lightweight. Yes. Okay, and on top, so we have here the pins for charging, and at the back, so we have here and on the sides there's none. Okay, so let's put the strap on. And for me guys, for the price, it is quite reasonable, since it's relatively cheap for around $5 to $6. Then you can gift this one for your kids. Yes, just for the sake that they have the watch, and at the same time as a smartwatch. Alright, and then I will wear this one now, and yeah, it's pretty lightweight guys. It seems like you're not wearing a smartwatch at all. Okay, and this is what it looks like when we wear the watch. Yes, it's good for the kids, I guess, in my opinion. Okay, so now let's turn it on. So let's just long press this circle icon here at the bottom part, and you will be greeted with the Fit Pro branding, and here is the home screen of the watch. Okay, so let's tap here, and then we have here the steps, blood pressure and heart rate, sports, message, music. So long press, then you can use this one as a remote control. Okay, and then we have here let's check the sports. Okay, let's long press. Then we have here like walking, skipping, and sit-ups. Yes, and for the blood pressure and heart rate, so as you can see guys, the sensors are lighting up, but don't get me wrong guys, this is just for reference, and don't use this one, especially if you have any medical problems. So let's tap on more. So we have here sleep, weather, camera control, and a reset, and also the Fit Pro QR code. So I think guys, the differences between the Y68 that we had in 2019 is that it is already colored. Yeah, as you can see, the icons, it's not only blue. So this one, it has different colors of the icons. Okay, and then let's long press here, and it will change the watch face. So long press on this home button, then it will change to the watch face. Okay, so I will be testing this one out guys, and let me know if you want me to have a full review after 1 week. Okay, if you have any questions guys, just comment down below, and if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up, and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.